What is up, y'all? And welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, this is going to be a cleaning vlog. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure you do stay tuned. Also, y'all already know to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do it on the channel. Now, y'all, I'm showing y'all the house on purpose. This is all clean clothes, all of it. So, okay, there y'all go. So, baby washed most of this, and we just been putting it on the couch. So, I will be folding all of that. Let me show y'all the dining room. And y'all, these are my cups. Put them here. Y'all see my workout equipment, baby shoes. Y'all, this house is ran over. This is all the way back from Valentine's Day when me and baby painted. So y'all, the dining room is ran over and through. That CVS stuff, I'm gonna show y'all in another clip. Christmas tree never comes down because it's out the way and it just literally need to be straightened up. I got a sweeping mop in here. Y'all see the walking pad, wrapping paper in that as well. That needs to get put up. The bar card needs to be wiped down. It's got cinnamon on it because y'all know every first of the month I blow cinnamon in the house. Baby bought me these roses a while back, but I love when they look. Well, I like when they're fresh, but even when they did, they cute. So I always keep them. So yeah, that's just a tidbit. I'm gonna show y'all the kitchen, and y'all know we do real life over here. I don't do them in the cleaner vlogs, but I do have them on the channel. Y'all see the dirty dishes? Not a lot to me, and that's because I clean the kitchen all the time. And I know it won't take me nothing but about maybe an hour, if that. The floors need to be swept and mopped. And y'all can see the living room again. Stuff all on the table. My little cart where I do my business and edit and stuff like that. Yeah, shoes in the living room. 3 pair of mine. Baby got shoes here. That's his little foot massager. Clothes in the chair. Mama bought us this vacuum, y'all, for Christmas. Still haven't opened it. It's like a wet vac. Yeah. We got clothes in the washroom that need to be washed. Ran over. So, we're about to do this cleaning vlog.
When I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, oh, excuse me, miss, oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss, I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. You're making me want to say, oh. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh, I said I dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, you can understand y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. You gotta know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Listen, wait, bagel.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it.
Bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day new wig, new hair. Come take me out, just move there. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs? To red room. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person, believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. trap straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just say they low weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that.
Okay, y'all, so I am done cleaning up. As y'all can tell, all the clothes are gone. And the living room, it has been vacuumed. Baby has some stuff. Okay, there we go. Baby has some stuff on his table, but I didn't want to buy these stuff because I don't know where he may want some of that and whatever else. But y'all here. And y'all run to CVS because all of that toilet paper and dish, not dish liquid, but detergent and stuff like that, I got it for $30. But y'all, everything is up. I got my cups stacked neatly. The dining room is done. Here's the haul. That's some stuff that's for sale. My suitcase that can't fit in the closet. And yeah, y'all see baby now sitting on his side of the couch. But everything is up. The kitchen is done. I mopped the floor. And now me and baby are about to go to the store. And this is the washroom. Mopped in there as well. And we just got some stuff up here that's hanging and dry. Well, it's already dry, but it needs to be hung up. But that is it, y'all. I'm about to take a shower. And we're about to go to the store to get a couple of things. Baby is grilling. And I think I'm going to vlog us grilling because it's pretty outside. And y'all know I got to prep the meat and whatever. I don't know if we eating sides or not. I kind of want some greens. And maybe some macaroni from scratch, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, y'all, that is this cleaning vlog. Make sure that you do shop QuiNichelle.BigCartel.com. Get y'all lip gloss, lip oil, eyeliner, lip liner, and y'all's Qui Nichelle cups and whatever else on the website. But y'all, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe as well. And tell a friend, honey. Y'all already know we are out.
When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I change the score. You said my